Well, today's the day I decided to start taking the red Focus apart and see how bad the back is really crunched. I want to try and take the bumper cover off, the tail lights out, get some of the stuff out of the trunk, and then see if I can porta power it out and see how much more I got to go, and then decide whether I'm gonna or how I'm gonna go about getting a new bumper cover and new trunk lid and all the assorted accessories. So if you got any interest in it at all about that, just stick around and you can watch me cuss, moan, kick stuff, and all that other good stuff. Yeah, and I still have this Mercury. I think it's supposed to run drive. I haven't had a chance to yet. I've been working on the other one. But if there's anything you need, please let me know, and I will, I'm making a hell of a deal. Just let me know what you want, or if you want the whole thing, let me know. So, have a great day. So here I go, filling my battery. Hopefully you can hear me. I think I got to figure out some kind of microphone, but because I still record with my my iPhone. Nice. Looks like little kids' clothes. Like uniforms. I can donate that stuff. I don't know what the hell this is. Then you don't know, want to know. Some of this is going to go straight in the garbage. So, I'm going to keep that. That should go in the garbage. Garbage. Or my toolkit for going to the junkyard. My junkyard's right here. I'm gonna go put the clothes in the truck and we take those and donate them, because I'm sure where to start. I would take this off first, but I really like that it keeps most of the water out of the trunk. So very interesting. Okay. Yeah, they got pile drived. That's for damn sure. That is for damn sure. All right. Woo! Look at that. That's some crazy stuff right there. Going to the great by and by. looks like I can probably save. Not too bad. Got one chip up there, but I can live with that. Somebody can live with that. Next step, figure out where all the screws are for this bumper cover. There's two. Alright, there's a couple tech screws holding the backside on. I don't have tech screws, or techs. So, I'm gonna have to do it the old fashioned way and rip that sumbitch off. Not Why do they have Torx on there? There you go. There you can see the damage. So it did get hit pretty good, but it barely, you can see where it buckled up on the passenger side quarter panel up there at the top, and over here it didn't buckle, but it closed the gap at the back door, so it sticks right there. So I definitely we're gonna have to shit, I don't think I can save the bumper cover. That goes without saying. The crash bar looks fine. It looks like it overrode the crash bar and got into the back. Now I got to decide if I want to fix this or part it out. You know, why don't you guys tell me in the comments below whether I should part it out, use the parts on the ship box, or because I think I can sell the whole dash, because the airbags didn't go off. I can sell the curtain airbag, I can sell the steering wheel airbag, I can, all that emergency restraint or SRS system, and I can use all the body panels on mine and get my money back and then scrap the rest of it. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do, because I can't decide right now. Holy hell. So I was cleaning out the trunk so I can pull it out, so I can see if I could jack it out. And I found a bag of, I don't know if it's costume or not. I'll have to take it home to my wife so she can look at it. But who the hell? I have to assume it's costume, because why would you leave that in your trunk when, damn, that one looks like gold. Shit, I might have, well, who knows, but I'll keep you guys informed on what this actually is once I figure it out. But anyways, holy hell, it was like, it was down here. underneath where it got pinched when it got slammed. So she probably forgot that it was even in there. That's crazy. My lucky day. Woohoo! So since I couldn't pick it up in the back, I put the back seats up, and now I'm pulling the cardboard back this way so I can see what I got to work with. So right back down there between the tire and the tailgate is where I found the loot bag. I'm so happy. Before I even start jacking on this, I would like advice from anybody and everybody that's out there. Take a look at this, and what do you think my best plan of action would be? Hook it to something and pull it, use a porta power. I just don't think I got anything to jack against in there, you know. So if you got any suggestions, I'd appreciate it before I start spending a bunch of energy and time on this. So thank you very much, and have a great day.